Hello, am I live? I think yes. So here I will start with this. Why my right click is not working? Anyhow, this guy has to be deleted. So I can hopefully go and push delete. Right. Okay. Something was wrong with my pen. Anyway, let's start with uh, inequalities. Last time we discussed the concepts on inequalities. This time we'll do it differently. Start solving the questions. So first question says x is not equal to minus y, and it is an is type of question, so we need to prove whether x minus y divided by x plus y is greater than 1 or not. Alright, so first condition is x is greater than 0, that means x is positive. So let's take some values here. Um, x is positive, I'll take x is equal to 1 and let y equal to 2. So in that case, I get 3 and 1 minus 2, right? X is equal to, I have taken x is equal to 1 and that will be minus 2. So minus 1 by 3, we get a no answer. Now to get a yes answer, we will take x is equal to, again x is equal to, maybe again x is positive is 1 and we take y is equal to minus 2. So what happens in that case? So it becomes 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2, right? Or I think still we'll get a minus here because this will become 3 by minus 1 here, minus 3 by 1, so it will be still getting a no answer. For getting a yes answer, or you will take x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. In that case, x is not equal to minus y, so here, okay, x is becoming equal to minus y, so this is not a correct condition. And what else we can take? We can take a smaller value of y. Let me take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 in that case. So x is equal to 2 will be 2 minus of minus 1 will become plus 1, and x is equal to 2 minus 1 will become, so we'll get a yes answer because this will become 3 by, and this will be greater than 1. So definitely we are getting a yes answer, this is not sufficient. Let's take the second condition, which says that y is negative. So here we saw that y was, so uh, here if we take the single condition without taking anything, right, from the previous one, it depends on the value of x and it depends on the value of y. So there are two things. So here we have to weigh. So what happens if x is negative, right? It depends on the value of x also, that even if y is negative, what is the problem? So y is negative here, right? And we get a yes answer. So y is negative here and we get a no answer. So definitely this is also not sufficient. What will happen if we take both combined? So y is positive, x is positive, y is negative. Still here also same condition. If you see y is negative, right? X is positive, right? But here it is less than 1 and here it is greater than 1. So I will mark it as E. Let's see what is the actual answer. So it says that if x is not equal to minus y, uh, this condition, if, okay, so they have taken this condition, then they get -3 is less than 1, they get a no answer. If we take this, they get a yes answer. And yeah, same thing, they also got E. So first one is correct. Let's go with the second one. Mm, if a positive, if x is positive, so x greater than 0 is positive, which of the following would be correct ordering of 1 by x, 2 by x, and x squared. So basically we have 1 by x, 2 by x, and x squared to be arranged. If first one says that x squared is greater than 2x greater than x, okay. So in this case, let's take x is equal to 1. So 1 is, right here, 1 is, I'm just taking x is equal to becomes 2 is less than 1. Right? Do we, is this possible? Not possible, right? So could be correct ordering, he's asking, not asking that it should be correct always. One of the values also, if it is making it correct, then it is correct. So at least one it is not. So what we want to do is, we would want to take some value such that this equation holds. So what if I take value of, this has to be smallest and this has to be largest. So let's take x is equal to 1 by 2. So in that case it will become 1 by 4 is less than 1 is less than 2, right? So 1 by 2 is one value where at least first one gets, so we will get an option from D and E, and only difference between D and E is third condition. So let's take third condition. Second is anyways in both of them. If this is there, then we have there is a condition that one only. First, let's check 3. If it is there, then we check this. Okay, so third condition is 2x, x square 1 by x. Now here it is a tricky condition where it is talking about x square. So we have to take such a value. Again, let's take 1 by 2 here. It will become 1 is less than 1 by 4, which is anyways wrong. So let's take 1 by, no, anyways, this guy will become small if we take 1 by anything. But we have to take it like that only because this will cancel. So even if we take like uh, 10, right, this will become the smallest. So we have to take something that is in fraction to make this as the largest. So I take x is equal to 10. This will become 10 is lesser than 100 is less than 2 into 10, that is 20, right? So this is not correct. X square will be always greater than 2x. So I think 3 is not done. So we need to check the second one where x square is less than 1 by x is less than 2x. How can this be achieved? Anything that is fraction will go to the smallest. And let's take the fraction like 1 by 2 again. So this becomes 1 by 4. But this would become 2. And this will become 1. So this arrangement is wrong. Let's take, what about taking 1? 1 itself will be 1 is less than 1 is less than 2. 1 is not less than 1, so that is wrong. So last we can try it with, if 1 by 2 we have tried, and 1 we have tried, we can try with 2. But with 2 this will become half and this will become 4, which is also wrong. So we get B answer. Let's see. If x is positive, we will following this. First one, it says that cancel x from both the sides. Okay, because it is positive. Oh, okay. Now we have x less than 2. 2x is less than 1 by x. So x 2x squared is less than 1, or x squared is less than 1 by 2. So x is less than 0.7. Combining, we have, okay, we could have combined what? There was no ABC. Combining, we have x is less than 2 and x is less than 0.7. The count, this is, so statement 1 is possible. So 1 is possible, yes, that's what we also took. Let's take statement 2 is possible also is coming, that's where we want it. So x square is less than 1 by x, or x cube is less than 1, or x is less than 1. Once we do all this calculation that is given, then we get 0.707 is less than x is less than 1. So basically we have to, we can solve it like this, or we can just put values like we did, but there has to be only one value that satisfies. So what they have done here is basically cross multiply and segregate the equations into two. So the last equation would be x greater than 1, x greater than 1 by 2, or x greater than 0.7. How did we reach there? I'm not sure. Okay. So 2x minus is again here also they what they are doing, they're cancelling x both the sides. So x is greater than 2 and x square is less than 1 by x. Okay. X square is less than 1 by x. So x cube is less than 1 and x is less than 1.